Hello viewers, welcome to my new tutorial series of object detection. And in this tutorial series I will be showing you how Yolo V3 works, and I will be using Tensorflow2. And first of all, I will be showing you my course after downloading from GitHub, and after that I will be going for algorithm understanding, and after that I'll be showing you how to code the Yolo V3 object detectors. So let's download the files from GitHub. Let's go. And this is my account, and I'll be giving the link of Yolo V3 of my object detector. Let's go out there. Okay, so this is my it is taking time, so let's wait for a while. So these are the files out there, and I am going to show you one of the images, output images. Just wait for a while. It's loading. Okay, and you can see this is the object detector out there: person, fork, person. Okay, so this is one of the output of my object detector. So Yolo V3 is is a fast algorithm. It is for fast classification actually. Okay, now let's go out there. For accuracy you will go for another algorithm. For fast, for time saving, you will go for Yolo V3. So let's go and see and download. How to download the files? You can go over there and clone, or you can download through zip file. And I am showing you how to clone. So this is the here I am cloning the address. Now I want to download this file out there. Okay, so let's make a directory out there. So this is my file, and I want to clone here. So just write out there git clone, and I'm using here git bash. So I have to keep the address that I have cloned. So it will take some time to download. Let's wait. Here I want to make one thing clear. I am going to use the pre-trained weights, so I will be not training my model. I will be just using the weights from a pre-trained model and use that weight to have predictions. So let's wait for downloads. Okay, it is taking time. Okay, let's wait. So I am done with the downloads, and you will have a file like this one after downloading. And if you download through zip, you will extract that one, and you will go out there Yolo V3, and you can see out there data, weights, and these are the files of Python. And if you go out there, there will be no weights, so I have to bring the weights, and you can download the weights from here. I have already downloaded them. Just copying the weights. So this is my weight file. Ctrl C and paste here. And okay, so I will be using a video. So this is the video I will be using. So I have named that one as video 1. So just open the detector py file. So open, and you can see in the main I have given as type as image, so I am giving a video. Okay, video, and keep the file name. So the video file which you are giving, keep the exact name out there. So data/video 1. Okay, so this is my file name, video1.mp4. okay, so now run the code. Okay, there is an error. Let's check. Shouldn't have an error. Okay, sorry, there is an unexpected indentation. Okay, so run the code. So you can see out there is a person. Okay, so this is my video file. Out there a person is detected, and let's go forward, and it is detected a car out there. Okay, there is a car. Okay, and backpack, ball. Okay, fine, let's go, let's check. Okay, a vase. Okay, a potted plant. Okay, fine. So the data set I have used is Coco dataset, and there are 80 classes, so 80 types of elements can be detected through this model. So person, okay, fine, and a car. Okay, fine, a person out there. Okay, fine, person, backpack. Okay, fine. So you can see out there it has detected a dog, person, cups, chairs, and so this is how you can detect any sorts of video. Okay, now I will be showing how to classify images. So just write out there image, and write out there and give the directories of images. So you can give out there for more than one image, and I am giving two images which are kept in the data file. Okay, so let's run the code. So this is the image out there, and objects are detected successfully. Fine, let's go for the next one. And so this is another image. Okay, classified. So this is how you can classify images and videos. And if you want to classify from images from camera, just write out the camera. Okay, and run the code. Okay, then your webcam will prompt up, and you can see you will be detected. So this is how my algorithm works. On the next tutorial I will be showing you how the algorithm works, and after that I will be showing you how to code the algorithm. So this is all for this tutorial, and as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned.